Village in Dubai tonight?
The Global Village is one of the most popular places for the locals to visit, and it's sort of like a combination of expo and theme parks. So if you like street food and you like shopping, don't forget to come to the Global Village while you are in the town.
You can purchase tickets online or outside of the entrance.
If you buy it online, it will be 15 dirhams, but if you buy it at the entrance, it will cost 20 dirhams.
Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
If you are looking for the best street food options in Dubai, you have found them. Global Village streets are full of snacks, dishes, and drinks from across the globe. I feel like I'm in a Taiwanese night market. There are too many selections, I just can't pick which one I want.
So we're here at one of the street food store here. They're selling legamat, which is a local Arabic sweet dumpling. It's a very famous dish that the local Emiratis enjoy during Ramadan. Let's try it out. What do you think? Do you like it?
It's like a fried donut.
Yeah, I would say, but just in like a ball shape. And then they put a lot of sugar syrup on top of it and in bottoms of it. It's basically draining in sugar syrups. Hey guys, so we're here trying out the karak tea. So it's basically like a Indian milk tea but with cardamom flavors in it. It's really good. Do you like it?
Yeah, I feel like it's just like a milk tea. It's like a royal milk tea.
Yeah, they probably put a lot of condensed milk in it. So we also have Turkish kunafa here, which is a very popular dessert here in UAE as well. People like to enjoy it during Ramadan as well. It comes with different options like cheese or cream that you can put on the bottom of it. So we're here at one of the stalls that sells Turkish traditional food and sweets. So there is stuffed mussel, where they are stuffing some rice into the mussel, and then you eat it with some lemon juice.
I don't know if I can have it one bite. It has some spices, like I don't know, I never had it before.
What do you want? Maria, chocolate pistachio. Hey! America! Yes, brother, welcome. أقول لك كيفك بابا؟ تمام؟ بدي أقول لك.
Finally got my Turkish ice cream. It's so hard to get it.
Ice cream.
Global Village features 80 different cultures across 26 pavilions. Each showcases a country or region's handicrafts, merchandise, and cuisines.
This together.
Together?
Yeah, together. I give you 150.
So they're only open from October to April every single year. And for the rest of the 6 months, they are doing some maintenance work. And they are also adding some new attractions to the Global Village. So like, as you can see here, the floating market, it was never here last year, and this is totally new this year.
Smells so good. It's like some kind of Thai food. The floating market makes you feel like you are in Thailand.
Then I woke up and realized they were living inside my head. Whatever you do, just don't look down. Won't know what's out there if you don't find out.
So they're selling fried shrimps over here, and it's probably the most popular food stall here on the floating market.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for another Global Village production!
I think about it every day. Baby looking like Hana Kazana on a plate. Like the type, like Goofy. That's the like me. Bitch, stop my feet. Saturday, gotta be nagadi. Jaladi, 2 minute on with your jaladi. Yeah, I'm a bitch, I'm gonna go to Nagadi. You're like a bubble up in front of me. Everybody trying to figure out your recipe. Just trying to get a piece, baby.
So we bought a bundle ticket, which includes 3 parts.
Right. First one, you have the Mirror Maze, and then you have the actual Believe It or Not, and then there's a new one that just came out, which is the movie theater.
Yeah. We just entered a mirror maze. We have to touch to see which way is the real road.
Just test the law.
Feels like we are blind. What you doing, bro?
No!
Let me get out of here!
There's so many of you.
Like
Which
hundreds of me.
Which one's the real one?
This is the real one. ready for a 4D movie. So we just finished all three. If you can only recommend one, which one would you recommend?
I think if you want to have some fun, definitely try the Mirror Maze. And believe it or not, it seems like more like a museum to me, but it was interesting though. And last one, the movie theater, I think it was okay. It's a short ride.
Yeah, but believe it or not, it might take longer. Mirror Maze just like 5 minutes, maybe.
Yeah.
So it's also up to your time. We got a pasta was recommended by him.
Pretty good. The sauce is very creamy, and you can definitely taste the truffle in it. Pasta is cooked perfect, just how I like it.
Yeah, I can taste the truffle though. So what's this?
So here we have wana hanap. It's in Arabic. Basically, it's just rice wrapped in vine leaves, and then we also got the potato and fried Arabic bread to go with it, with a spicy sauce on top of it. It should be good. 好吃，黏哇，
哦，这个叶子也可以吃的吗？
够酸，他们家够酸。
酸。
Wow. So they have probably the best one I have tried in the area. It's sour enough compared to all the other ones, and that's what it should be like.
It's very sour. Game time, let's get some tickets first.
302?
banana family in the park. No problem.
Thank you.
No problem. Bye. Right now it's 1 a.m. We had so much fun tonight. I didn't expect like Global Village would be this interesting because it's like a mini expo.
Yeah, like I said before, it's like a combination of expo and theme parks where there are rides that you can get on, there are shows that you can watch, and different country pavilions that you can get into. I was here last year. Honestly, it was a surprise to me when I came here today because there were just so many new attractions like the floating market,
Yeah.
where they sell like street Thai food or Korean street food. It's really nice. Definitely recommend you guys to check it out if you are in the area.
Actually, we didn't finish everything. We might come back next time. I'm not sure if we have time.
Yep. But that's it for today's video. Yeah. As always, don't forget to hit the like button and
Yeah.
subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, we're
See
gonna
you guys
have
later.
more Dubai trips coming up.
Yep.
Bye.
I know.